Hello everybody, I am Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo and I will show you a little clip about the ftdx 101 mic Papa, the power function. Some people asking me, can I make a clip about the power output from the ftdx 101 mic Papa, and that I will do today here with my ftdx 101 mic Papa, the 200 watt version. And I show you a little QSO that is in German language on 160 meters, a top band. And you can see my output power in normal speak and normal settings. The transceiver will output 200 watts, almost 200, and maybe a little bit more. And I have testing the transceiver in FT8 mode also on 160 meters, and then I came with the output from 212 maximum 212 watts. So I hope I can help someone and you can use it for some reason, and let's go started.
Ja, wunderbar. Nee, einwandfrei, ne? So wie ich dich eigentlich
Here you can see I'm in QSO with a German guy of German station Delta Hotel 5 Kilo Lima India on the top band, 160 meter band. And if you look on my output meter, my little SWR and output meter, you can see my output when I speak with the station Delta Hotel 5 Kilo Lima India. That is a QSO in German language, and that is the reason why I speak in English here for some reason. And for some people who don't understand the German language. Okay, you can see on my output meter there my SWR and my output at the moment, because some people asking me about what can I do with the ftdx 101 mic Papa output when I speak normal. So I speak normal. I'm using the microphone, the M1 from Yaesu, with the normal settings, and I'm using only the equalizer in the transceiver, not the equalizer in the microphone. And the microphone is linear, and so only equalizing is in the transceiver. There are the settings in my transceiver. So when you look on my output meter, you will see the maximum power almost 200 watts, sometimes a little bit more. I worked here on 160 meters, and I use it. I'm using my antenna for 80 meters, 2 times 21 meters wire, in up to 7 meters above the ground. It's only a half wave for 80 meters, but I have tuned for 160, and it's working very well. And I speak with a friend of mine here on 160, and you can see on my output meter what is going out there, and almost 200 watts. So I can see, you can see, and sometimes a little bit more. And I speak in a normal position, and my I speak into 10 or 15 centimeters to the microphone, and the microphone is the M1 from Yaesu. It's working very well. And you can see the SWR and the output power. SWR is very good, it's very normal. It's almost 1.06 and 8, 1.06 or 8. And the output power is in the middle of 200 watts, sometimes a little bit more. So, okay. And I have tested it in the other mode, also on 160 meter band, and I tested in FT8. I have made some contacts on 160 meters in Fox Tango 8 modulation, and you can see the output power there, and then I'm going out a little bit more, 210 and 212, watts, and so the transceiver does a very good job with the output power. And on all bands, I have tested on all bands, and the output power in the maximum is all the time 200 watts and a little bit more. So I hope somebody with the results here, and it is useful for someone for some reason. Yeah, and I hope I can answering the question about the function, the power output from the ftdx 101 mic Papa. So here you can see my activities in Fox Tango 8 and the output power what I made in Fox Tango 8 and what the transceiver does. And yes, 212, you see almost 212, and in the middle is 210. And so that is the maximum power output from my transceiver, the ftdx 101 mic Papa from Yaizu. Enjoy the clip and hope to meet you sometimes on the frequency. This is Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo. Bye bye.